ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
If we want to go to the court, we'll have to fight with you small chaps. We want to fight with this big boss who instruct you to prevent us from taking this. We don't want to target Vivek. We don't want to target these magistrates. Hey Vivek, please don't treat us like boys. Don't treat us like boys. We have agreed with the district administration we will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, you know.
Nongïalam bat ki Khot ke Voice of the People Party kelami Biang Surok pan persya ik jengweng kam ke Sorkar iki langut ke officer jong ke loka yokta. Ki Khot ke VPP hapok ke Nongïalam uba arden melo besaiman kelami nagi than embos bat minta ki Nongïalam ha parking lot ke additional secretariat. Kat kumbi kubor layat ho ba ke Sorkar kala Khot de Kren ki ha ke porsi beje no phaisngi.
Sobat. Kami jangan membaik ini soal pun. We are elected representatives. There's a privilege. Please. You convey this. I've already instructed the district, the magistrate, you convey that this is unlawful. It is a contempt of court, yes. It is a contempt of court. The Supreme Court has clearly stated in 1967 that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent a legitimate... No. Please, what number is saying? One part. Attention. Dari pihak so artian film so tikna yung itaptiar line up yung check yung wait. Dia makataw konti kata. The central leadership should know the truth. Ndai ban sudarap jot repair di Surok tang formuan the central leadership ka tarong ka igidukan. All those issues we cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy. You are who are you to explain me how to do this? You think I don't know? Know your limits. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Mangingim ko ajing tulmar, ka ko ajing tulmar ka Sorkar, o ka ko ajing tulmar ka district administration.
Nongïalam mga isa
dan kami kata,
itu kiba
kani kampung wet,
Kren.
ba pimot ba nang bakal kam ku ka sup kan kam jai na ngi song na ang ni, enum ki na ang ni. Ti balik ngim la bania, bani kendu yo officer pula phone yang angongan dia kendu dangalai kendu ong tu ngin sai Kren dan ngin sai rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu beli kendu ngim la ban rai what we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand? Not like this. This is not a riot that you'll put masks. Don't hide in your mask, please. Why you are scared to carry out your duties with your face open? Malay, you have a criminal mind or what?
Under which article is it allowed?
Which provision of law?
Under Meghalaya Act 2010, Meghalaya Police Act, does it state that you can cover your mask? And where's your name tags as well?
When you people in uniform are violating law openly, how do you expect the masses to follow? If anything happened, you take the responsibility. And remember, for every action what you did today, you'll be answerable one day. And those who govern today, they will not govern the state forever. And every dog has his day. Apply your mind. I'm just telling you, apply your mind.
Sir, sorry sir.
Ini ingin show me.
Kren kan? Just request. On strictly 144 is operational.
Today dictatorship. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
They are following orders, and
But don't follow
orders.
the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The
Kalau
Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kering kata jingweng ibu official lo kita sir, kadang tak kuwi galak sir. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya kata kalat?
Galak sir. Tidak bentuk na peaceful way.
This is violent. Is this violent?
Ngapa mesti violent sir? Balung brio, bilik sinong. Tak kalau nada sir kadang.
Hey, kata kalau order to pinigin. Hey, kata kalau order.
Hasni Friday Bawan Honorable Home Minister Kung terus ni sir kami ikhtiar seperti terima
you mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Pakai social media no. Kamnon juga beri.
Kamnon juga beri. Boleh pinsul orang. Boleh ini ka darab jat ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Reaksi ukur, but because internet kan media sampai itu rasan abang masih aktif belum.
Minta kikon big yang ikut Kren. This is what you want to talk with us. Kren, you magistrate.
Lihat peaceful.
Oh, he just called me. Unless we are allowed to go there, we will not talk to the government. You violate. It is an unlawful. It is unlawful order. Now, Nongïalam accept. We are educated enough. We know the law. We know the law. So don't try to suppress the democratic rights of the citizens. We have given the letter to the government. It's for the government to respond to us in writing. They cannot use police just to protect them, just to prevent the legitimate expression of opinion. This is a legitimate. To nakaliang ka fisi aki police bila yo input bangi ni organize kay kama ko niyo. It is unlawful. You call the magistrate. I will explain. I will explain to the magistrate what our section 144 is all about. You call the magistrate here. I will explain. Who are those magistrates who don't know? To apply their minds. You convey to the district administration that this imposition is unlawful.
Pipinyak pelai pada buat tu. Wanyan leh buat. Wanyan leh. Kepala ni. Isu yang bet.
Nado last time dulu ngiyong no. Ngiyong kan benda tak tu. Bicara sama ini. Memang Hamsa.
And to manhandle the elected PPP long live! Long live! Long live! Corruption down! 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 Corruption down! 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 MDA down! 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 MDA down! 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 Down!
How many of us would go? Because we know that all of us will not go inside. We can go in. We will see where is the convenient place, but not here. So if you are stopped here, we will not go. We are patient enough, like what we did last time. We protested in the main secretariat and we feel that the people are not convenient. We shifted. We are responsible leader, but we cannot be dealt in this manner. No? Because we know the law. We don't want to go to the court because if we go to the court, your political master will not face the problem. You will face the problem. We want to protect you, which is why we know that despite the fact that this is unlawful order, we do not to go to the court. It is a contempt of court clearly, and who will face? Who will have to go to the court if we file a case? You, the officers, will have to go, not these bloody political masters. Stop immediately. Stop. Kata kalau inside deh, tentunya antu bohong ibu yang teh. Ada bisa stop pangni tingin ya. Baik kan nunggu gitu. Sebab dalam swell deh kalau unlawful deh. Kalau ada experience ki imposition of Section 144 RPC kalau unlawful. The Supreme Court ruling 1965 has spelled out very clearly. You cannot invoke Section 144 as a tool to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. So you are just, contempt the court. The ruling is a contempt of court. The order of the Deputy Commissioner. So you convey that to the Deputy Commissioner, and we know well what is Section 144 RPC. I have explained to them. It was mentioned in chapter 10, part C. This section 144 is only in cases of urgent cases of nuisance and apprehended danger. So have you apprehended that we will create any danger? This is a peaceful demonstration. It is a peaceful procession. Even procession are allowed. There's how many of us that we are not allowed just to go there? We will not go, not all of us will go inside. Then first you allow us to go there, then we will decide where to sit, where we will sit, and how many of us will go. Not necessary that we have to go 5 or 6. You apply your mind, you know that we know the law. We are the lawmaker, we are not doing violence. I told the police if you have sufficient inputs that we are going to create any trouble, you can put us, you can apply MPDA. You can arrest us on the preventive detention ordinance. You apply the law, we will talk about the law. But you just cannot simply use this as a tool to prevent the legitimate expression or protest. We will not allow. Even if you are being instructed to deal with us harshly, we will face it. So we
want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! Down, down! MDA! Down, down! MDA! Down, down! MDA! Long live! Long live! Long live!
I be back. Please don't treat us like boys. Don't treat us like boys. We have agreed with the district administration we will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, you know.
already
at
here,
least
sir.
give them
Kindly,
10 to
sir,
15
please.
of them.
Please,
Only
sir.
10 to 15 of them to be taken.
Kindly, sir. Please,
Okay, please, sir.
We request you, sir. Please, sir.
That
We've
is
allowed
not-
till here, sir.
That is not too big
Sir.
a request from you, sir.
Please, sir. We
You
have,
understand, sir?
Sir,
That
we
is
have-
not too big,
see,
Tom.
sir. We have done the needful from our end, sir. Sir, humbly request you, sir. Humbly appealing to your leadership, sir. Kindly, sir. We request you, sir. Please, sir. Your supporters are already here, sir.
Aktif anu begini, masalah ini kerana.
Ini kecuali, sir. Okay. Madam is ready, sir.
Okay.
Kita tinggi, she's already here.
Saya kira macam
Apa ni? Sementara milik
allow some of the voice
No, sir. We are here to escort you, sir. Please, kindly, sir. We've allowed you here. Kindly, sir.
Like
Please.
mentally bangi
Humbly, please.
okay,
Please, sir.
we know that.
We have allowed you here, sir.
I think that if you go to the spirit of section 144, then you will understand clearly that this has been
Sir,
imposed
kindly,
or
sir. We allowed you to here, sir.
okay, this has been invoked just to prevent that thing. That is too much. Okay, can one try there?
No, we are escorting you,
We are
sir.
escorting you.
An idiom is escorting you, sir.
Okay, what I want as a party that has concern for the state, that take up issues concerning the state, we should be treated in that way, no?
We're trying our best, sir. That's the way that we can, sir. So, how many of you, sir, will be going?
Ini saya rayan deh, ini saya lagi menu balik indeng ya keren.
Probably each one.
Oh, ini aja. Then we discuss itu.
PPP, long live! Long live! PPP, long live! Long live! Long live! PPP, long live! Long live! Long live! PPP, long live! Long live! Long live! Down, down, FDA! Down, down, FDA! FDA, down, down! Down, 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 down! FDA, down, down! Down, 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 down!